started a video. No, you won't. Away with you. Bye. Bye. We gotta go the other way. You know what, Muffin, don't be AFK. Oh no. You gotta go on the side. Ah! Ah! I can't do. No! No! No.
Let me get on!
Come on, follow me.
S'mores, you don't need to go up anymore. You missed your chance. Bye. Wait, what?
Come on.
Oh, crap. You do that to click a button. S'mores, what I want you to do is,
Come in here. Yes, now stay here. Alright, stay here until the round ends.
A few moments later.
The game has ended. Alright, you have 15 seconds to come. Pump those little legs. I can see you in the distance.
I'm an athlete. I run fast. True fact, she is an athlete in some ways.
Yes, in some ways.
I've played multiple sports.
Whee!
I mean, I don't know about Mocha though.
I am an athlete.
I know, I'm joking. I mean, you're the one who always complains when we have to do, like, exercise. I know.
Because I don't feel like it. I don't like exercising. I like sports though.
Exercising too, but do I do it? You don't exercise, how do you expect to actually... Oh, wait. There it is.
Oh no, Taco, you died. I just saw your death. Taco, I saw you died cold blood. Come on.
God save the queen.
It was a...
God save the queen.
God save the prom queen. Ah.
Murder is murder. Oh, this one's the easy one. Nice. Let's get up. Get up, get out of my life.
That's not the song lyrics. Alright. Ah! S'mores!
Oh, wait, what? Did I do something?
S'mores!
Actually, yes, of course I did something and stuff. I always do the best things. Yeah.
You pushed me off. S'mores, how could... S'mores, you pushed me to my death.
Yes, because I am the best.
S'mores, that's not a good thing. You killed me.
Sorry.
S'mores, I'm spectating you, even though you murdered me. I'm spectating you from heaven.
I think she knows the way. No, she don't know the way. Oh wait, it's up there. Oh wait, it's up there. Yeah, I had to push the button. This karma though.
Oh no.
This karma. I deserved it.
Oh.
This is what messed me up last time. This stupid poles.
Muffin, why are you just standing there? You just look completely clueless.
Swear to God, get over here.
Who is playing music?
Taco.
Taco.
You deserve death at this point.
You gotta go over there. You have to... No, wait, Muffin. You have to go across... No.
Oh, now you sorry. Wait, what? No,
Let's get through the door.
A million times to her.
Alright, come on, my dudes. Everybody pile on.
Towards you. Why can't I?
We have to social distance.
Dude, why are y'all so together?
Social distancing.
I'm like over here.
Ah! We should do medium next time because we're totally pros. Ow!
Wait, I'm trying to climb up.
Oh. That's Taco. Taco! Turn your volume down.
Music, like, we're literally gonna get
Taco! Stop playing music.
She wasn't even recording. Alright, yeah, Taco, stop the music.
Taco, turn down your volume.
Turn it on. Oh, wait.
Taco. Taco, why?
The music started to cut down.
Thank God it stopped. You know what?
God, it stopped. God save the queen.
Did you really just go to medium? Did you really just go to medium? Is that how you're gonna do it?
You are a little bum. B545
Muffin, you were a sacrifice.
You were a sacrifice.
You were a sacrifice.
I mean, I'm not sacrificing you. Like, I pushed the button. Thank you. Oh, yes, thank you. Thank you so much for pushing the button. When you push the button, you have to. Thank you for pushing the button. Be very. I got it back up. Get back up, girl. Where am I supposed to even go?
I have recruited another female of the food squad.
Don't come up here because last time you died to this. Oh, yeah. Hey, Maddie. Oh my god, it's been such a long time. Hi, girl. Hey, what's up? Aren't you gonna see? Keep going.
Go. Yeah.
Wait. Yeah, you go over there.
It's giving me a really bad migraine.
You know, that's what this game does to people.
Someone please sacrifice. Oh, final room. Okay. Yeah, I'll be the only one that's left.
Do you guys want to know a good snack fact? A good snack fact?
Hey. Come on, Pizza Dude, you can do it. I'm just gonna stand in the door so she can't pass. What happens if I stand in the door? Nothing. Yeah, Curious George died. So, a life lesson from that show is to not be curious.
Curious George.
How dare she? She put me on her head and I died.
Super curious.
How could she?
Mocha, did you die?
She put me on her head and then I died.
Sorry, I was spectating. Oh my god, Mocha, why did you I know, I was just like, Mocha, what the heck? Your outfit ain't, like, I like her outfit, but, like, your outfit is, like...
What is wrong with my outfit?
It was, your main outfit, and it's not working for you.
It's more beautiful than your entire existence. Shut up. This outfit is more beautiful than your entire family. Shut up.
Okay, I'm gonna go after your outfit, but I just don't want the skirt, you know?
Fine.
Yeah, I like it, Mocha. Also, Boba, I made a game. Or we're making a game. Oh, that's awesome. I'm not like it's that bad. It's called Ultimate Combat. You can probably tell what the genre is, but it's just Ultimate Combat. But like, yeah, it automatically when games quit. I was like, really, Taco, why'd you take out of the? Oh, Taco just left. Sorry. Oh my God.
Ooh.
You guys are still.
Yeah, we're still here. What are you gonna do about it?
No.
You can do it.
It's a final level. It's a final level.
Do. No, it's full. Go to medium. Go to medium.
Wait, what? What happened?
Go to medium. It was full.
Go to medium?
Go to medium.
Exit.
Ayo. Oh no! Let me through! Come on, open it, open it! I'm gonna die! Oh, I will finish this. No! Jeez. Give me a break. You gotta press that. Ah! You guys are all sacrifices. Stack of rice. Stack of rice. It's sacrifice.
I love rice. Rice is amazing. Hey guys, look, it's a pyramid.
I pressed something.
We're gonna do a pyramid, girl. Oh wait, I can't. For some reason. Why aren't you basic bacon hairs? Get out of here, you bacon hair.
Ah!
Here I am. Why did someone bacon hair?
No!
Please.
Yeah, respect the bacon, Karen.
On my recommended and stuff, like for like the outfits and stuff, there's tons of Karen stuff. I swear. I was like, Karen hair. Oh my god. Unnatural born. Like a period. You're like, oh my god. No, respect the bacon.
Yeah, respect the bacon.
I feel bad for everyone named
Go, 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 go. Ah.
everyone named Karen.
Yeah.
Have you met someone named Karen?
No.
I have never met someone named Karen.
Yeah.
Where am I supposed to go?
Oh no!
Where do I go?
Wait, what happened? Oh no! S'mores, you didn't go through the door! S'mores! S'mores, no! You didn't go through the door in time. I will wait for you, Pizza Dude. I will wait. Come on, Pizza Dude. I will wait for you. Come on. I was waiting for you. Is that too much? Was that not enough?
But like after we're going to do something that has to correspond with my outfit thing, with my outfit or with my outfit attitude thing. Okay. I'm not going to get that.
Well, we can't really escape. Oh no! No, we're not.
Get it.
We didn't even need to get it. We didn't even need to get that. It was a trap. Paw, 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 paw. We have to go back. I'm not trying to. No. I see that we're perfectly ready. Get it. I will not die in vain.
Corresponding with my outfit. Attitude. Yes.
Oh,
We already agreed on it. You're the only one who's just not agreeing on it.
I just,
So basically, I got disconnected.
that was terrible.
So basically, you're saying you just want to act like a spoiled brat.
Ah,
It's for the views.
for the views. You wouldn't understand, it's for the views.
Yes, we will.
Yes, we would.
Video name.
Taking care of the boy spoiled brat in Bloxburg.
Sort of name. Like, what would my name be?
Oh no.
No, my name is not going to be Karen. Patricia, yes. I am Patricia Felicia.
No, everybody's gonna die.
Patricia Felicia.
Everybody die.
Wait, I have to have like something as it's like the source.
Everybody died.
Karen, come on, spoiled. Stop staying.
Sarah. Sarah. No. I'm not letting my death go in vain.
Survive. I want to play epic minigames. I want to play epic minigames now.
Ah!
Are you recording?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Come on, come on, come on. I finally passed that level. It took me so long.
Yes, Mocha, go. Do it. You got this, girl.
Where do I go? Oh, down here.
What did you say? Remember while I eat my toast. Oh, I love
Give me your toast before I eat your limbs. I will eat your limbs if you don't give me a slice of toast. No, it's alright.
Okay, look, we're gonna play mini games now.
Oh, okay.